It's time to think beyond. It's time to conquer technology. It's time to attain precision and perfection. It's time to revolutionize manufacturing. Automotive, Auto Tier 1, 3W and 2W, manufacturing, we've got it all covered. Presenting welding solution from Delta Articulated Robot Series, DIR-RW robots for seamless industrial welding experience. DIR-RW is a next generation, highly precise welding robot by Delta that is perfect for stepping into Industry 4.0. With a working range of 1454 to 2112 mm, the solution offered by the House of Delta can carry a payload from 6 kg to 20 kg depending on the user requirement. An IP67 level of environmental protection accompanying the robot makes it dust and waterproof for smooth operation in any sector. Widely suitable for automotive industry, DIR-RW are highly precise, accurate and repeatable in nature. With a compact design, it can be easily installed on ground, shelf wall mounting or ceiling upside down mounting. A larger working space, greater productivity and high repeated positioning makes it an ideal component for your welding operations. The robot body adopts a flexible welding cable that is built in. The hollow wrist makes it more convenient from user's perspective to handle the cables or hoses and to install water cooling or bellow torch. The state-of-the-art welding torch is equipped with an anti-collision feature, making every welding perfect to the core. The body comes with dual-circuit gas pipe to meet all kinds of welding demands. Apart from DIR-RW, Delta is a pioneer in articulated robots with handling capacity of up to 80 kg and SCARA robots with handling capacity of up to 22 kg with access flexibility. Delta also boasts of the state-of-the-art SCARA robot of 5-axis. Upgrade your processes with our marvels of engineering. Come join the new age industrial revolution with Delta, providing innovative, clean and energy efficient solutions for a better tomorrow.